Hey, what's up guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Shiba Inu guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price update of Shiba Inu. What's the price changes occur in the Shiba Inu? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates video about the Shiba Inu guys. The right now price of Shiba Inu is about $0.0008 dollar. You can see here guys, I think the price of Shiba Inu is start increasing guys. That's really good news for all of you. Anyways, other side, if we talk about the changes of Shiba Inu, so now the last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day changes is negative, and last 1 week changes occurred in the Shiba Inu is positive guys. So I'm very happy to see, because after a long time a pump occurred in the Shiba Inu, you can see here guys an absolutely a very fast and quick jump occurred in the Shiba Inu. I'm feeling very good. You can see the changes of last 1 week is about positive 18.39%, and the highest price in the last 7 days is about $0.0009 dollar guys. Now guys, it is the last of September. Higher possibilities that Shiba Inu will continue this jump for a long time guys. Be alert, just hold guys, never decide to sell guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.